Okay, dear students, today we will see the orthographic projections. Okay, so sheet number 11. Okay, so this is the drawing. This is the sheet number 11. Okay, so here we have to draw different views of this drawing. Okay, so here this is the front view. You are seeing the object from here. Okay, so if you are seeing the object from here in this direction, this is the front view. Okay, so what you will see if you are present here, suppose 1 minute. Okay, you are present here. Okay, now you are looking from this side, so this is the front view. Okay, front view you are seeing from this side. So what you will see this. Okay, so let me mark what are you seeing from this side, and you will see this area as well as this. Okay, and also this whole thing here. Only you will see the marked area, because you are standing here, you are seeing from this direction. Okay, like this. Only this area you will see. Remaining things you cannot see in the front view. Okay, so first let's draw this. Okay, draw the front view. So what is the base here? The base is 60. The base from here to here, it is 60. Okay, and what is this height from this point to this point? What is the height? Here it is given 12. So this height is similar to this height. Okay, this is how much? This is 12. Okay, so if this is 12, this is also 12. Okay, then what about this? From this point to this point, what is the length of this segment? So here the total is 60 from here to here. From this point to this point, it is given as 24, and this is 12. So 24 plus 12, how much? 36. So remaining also, this part is also 24. Okay, same 24. 24 48 plus 12, 60. Okay, let me explain here. So it is 24. Okay, here it is 12. 24 plus 12, how much? 36. This is 36. So the total is 60. Okay, so total is 60. 60 minus 36 will be how much? Again 24. Yani this is 24 here. So this is also 24, and this has a 12, 12, 12, 24. So we can easily draw this. Okay, so okay, let's start drawing from this direction. So first we have to draw the base. Okay, base is how much? 60. So from here, take the scale draw a line of length 60. It is a bit more. Okay. Okay, only 60 from 0 to 6. Now what is the height? So we have drawn this line from here to here, it is 60. What is the height? Height is 12. Here also height is 12. So both the sides, the height should be how much? 12. So here, so in order to make sure that it is perpendicular exactly, what you have to do, you have to take the protractor, keep it here at the left side edge and mark 90 degrees so that it is exactly perpendicular. Okay, here also right side mark 90 degrees. So now both the sides, the height is how much? 12. So now you can see the small scale. Okay, now keep it here. Okay, now how much height? Height is 12. Okay, so from 0 to 10, 11, 12. So this is 12. Okay, 10, 11, 12. Similarly, right side, keep it here like this. Okay, keep the scale like this and draw a line of height 12. Okay, so now okay, this 60 line is drawn now. Now height 12 is also done. Now what is left? From this point, from here to here, what is the length? 24. Same. Okay, so the downside is 24, upside is also 24. So here we have calculated this is also 24. So from this point we have to go left side 24. From this point we have to go right side 24. So take the scale, keep it like this. Okay, 0. From here it is 24. So 10, 20, 24. Okay, this is 24. Right side also 24. So 24 means I will keep it here, or else simply rotate the scale. Now from here 10, 20, 24. Okay, 10, 20, 24. Now simply so now the base is completed, this portion is completed, this portion is completed. Okay, now remaining these two lines, so we have to draw two lines from here. Okay, also from here one line. Okay, now this portion is completed. Now we are here. From here we have to draw this portion. Okay, so this one, what is this length? We need to know this length and height. So the height is given as 36. Okay, so what about this one? See, if you see from here, the total is 60. Okay, here the total is 60. From this point to this point, it is how much? 12. So, and the total remaining, from here to here it is 12. Okay, from this point to this point 12. So at 12 we have to make a point, and from that point we have to raise a height. We have to raise a height of 36. After that, left side 12, and then downside 24. Okay, this is downside 24, and again 12, and again go downside. Okay, so let's draw one by one. First, what we have to do, from this corner, okay, from this corner we have to draw 12, and we have to make a point at 12. Then we have to raise a height of how much? Total height 36. See, this is 36, so we have to raise a height of 36. Then go left side 12. Okay, let's do it. So what I'm saying is, from left side, and this right side corner, we have to go left side for a distance of 12. Okay, now take the scale, keep it here. Okay, and at 12 make a point. Make a point at 12. 10, 11, 12. So this is the point. 12. Okay, 10, 11, 12. Similarly, right side also at 12 make a point. So 10, 11, 12. Okay, now what is the height? So from here it is 12. So what is the height? Height is 36. Both sides 36, 36. Here it is 36 height. So whenever you are going to make a perpendicular line, use the protractor so that it will come exactly perpendicular. Okay, Now take the protractor, keep it here, mark 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. Similarly here, keep the protractor here and mark 90 degrees as well. Okay, so after marking the 90 degrees, what you have to do, the height is how much? Height here is 36. So both the sides we have to draw the height for 36. So take the scale, arrange it like this so that you will match this point with this point, 90 degrees point, and then draw a height of 36. Draw a line of length 36 and till here 35, 36. Okay, similarly do the same thing here, 36, keep it here and draw a line, (36). Okay, now what you have to do, so this height is completed. So now you will see this part 12 and also this part from here to here, it is how much? 12, 12. You will see this and this. So both the sides the length is how much? 12. So here take the scale, and draw a length of 12, 10, 11, 12. Okay, similarly here 12, or else take the scale, from 0 to 12. Okay, now you have to go downside from this point. What is the depth? The depth here is how much? 24. Okay, you can see the depth here in the front view, it is 24. Go 24 downside and close the box. Here also 24, from here also 24 depth. So keep the scale like this. Okay, and go for a depth of 24, any till here, from 0 to 24 here. Okay, this is the 24. Similarly here keep the scale like this and go for a depth of 24. Okay, now join the two lines, any two ends. Okay, join the two ends. So this is the front view. See, these are the two segments, this if you compare this, see, this green area is what you are seeing here, this, okay. So now this is the front view. This is the front view. Now you have to draw the top view. So first, before drawing the top view, let's make the dimensioning here, so which is 24, 12, 60. So let's make the dimensioning. So first we will do the dimensioning of this one. So now we have to do the similar dimensioning, 24, 12, 60. So this is 24, this is 12, this is 60. Okay, 24, 12, 60. Now let's go for the top view. So for the top view, before drawing the top view, what we have to do, we have to draw a horizontal line, okay, so that it will separate both the views. This is the front view, here we will draw the top view. So simply make a line here, okay. Okay, simply make a line so that it will separate the front view and top view. Now from this reference line, so let's see what we will see in the top view, okay. Here so the front view is over. Now you are looking from the top, so let's take another figure. Now you are looking from the top in this direction. Okay, you are looking from the top side. So what you will see in the top side, you will see this area. Okay, this one, and you will see this one, and also this part, as well as this part. This part is visible in the both sides, yani in the front view also, in the top view this is visible. So you will see this. Okay, this one. So you will see all this in the, and also in this groove there is some area, you will see that also in this groove, this one, this part is also you will see. Okay, 1 2 this 3. Okay, so now let's draw this. So here in the top view, before drawing the top view you have to project all these points upside. Okay, so in the top view, what is the dimension? The dimension, total dimension is 60 versus this is also 60. Alright, so first make a base here of length 60. So keep the scale like this. From here at a distance, okay, keep the scale like this. Keep it any point. From that point, okay, keep the scale on this line. Okay, and here from this reference line take any height, 10 20, so that you will have some space from this line. So I'm taking as 10, and from here to here it is 10 millimeters. So this is one point, and also keep the scale here and at 1 centimeter draw a dot. So now join these two dots. Okay, after joining these two, you have to project these so project all the points to a height of 60. Okay, first let's make the projections. Take all the projections. Okay, keep it here, and from this point here, okay, the height should be how much? 60. From here the height should be 60. From this point the height should be 60, and like this. Okay, keep the scale like this, and this line should be at 6, so that this height will be 60. Similarly, project all the points. So we projected this line. Okay, now we are projecting this line. Okay, now we are projecting this line. these lines must be lighter. Okay, project all the lines. Okay, you projected all the lines. Now join these ends. Okay, all these lines should be lighter. See the difference between these lines and this is the outline, and these are just construction lines. Okay, now as we discussed before, we will see in the top view these areas. Okay, so let's begin from this point, this corner. So here we will see from here to here, this is 24, and this is 12. Okay, and also from here it is 12. Again, see 60 minus, if this is 12, 60 minus 12, how much? 48. This is 48. So whatever you will see, you have to make that darker. First of all, you will see this total length 60 to be darker. So first I am making this line darker. Okay, watch carefully. So this is the line. This line is nothing but this line from here to here, 60. So I am making it darker, making it as an outline. Okay, so this line is darker now. Now next, what you will see, from here to here it is darker. This is what? 24. Any same. So we projected this line from here to here, it is 24. Okay, so this line is also darker. Now this 12, this is also darker. So the outline must be darker. This total length is darker here. Okay, so now this total is, this is darker, and also this is also darker. So total this 60 by 60 square is darker. Now we have made the outline. Now, so from this corner, okay, 1 minute. So this is completed now. From this corner here, it is same corner. This one is this one. Okay, this corner is nothing but this corner. So from here, left side how much? 12. Go left side, 12. So left side is done. Now left side is already there, 12. Okay, this 12 is already darker. Now go down side. How much? So this one is 12. So this total is 60. 60 minus 12 will be how much? 48. So this is total 48. Okay, for a, like from here it is 48. from 0 to 48 here. Okay, 0 to 48. So after that you have to go left side. Okay, if it is from here to here, it is 48, right? Similarly, at this direction also, here also it is, yani, if this is 48, this is also 48. So now here we have to make a line of 48. Okay, keep the scale like this and draw a line of 48 here also. Okay, now from here, okay, this point is coinciding with this point here. Now this is 48 and also in this direction it is 48. Now from this point you have to go left side. Okay, how much? 12. This is also 12. How means this is total 24. See here, from here to here it is 24. We said this is 12. Okay, this is total 24, right? From here to here 2 4 24 arba ashrin. So it is itna ashr. So baki kam itna ashr. So we have to go left side 12. Okay, then after going left side 12, we have to join this with the base. Let's do here. You have to go left side 12. So this is the 12 line. So simply keep the scale like this, and so this distance is nothing but 12. This is 12. Okay, go left side 12 and right side also 12. From this point we have to go right side, from here we have to go left side 12, so that it will touch here. Then you have to join the, yani after coming, so from this point we have draw a line 12 to the left side, from here 12 to the right side. After that simply join the base, join it to the base. Okay, so now we are joining it to the base. See here, now we are joining it to the base. Okay, so the base is completed. From base we are going here, go upside, go to the end. Okay, so at the end here there are two squares, one square here, one square here. So the squares will fit here. Okay, so the squares, what are the dimensions of the squares? In the top here it is 12 by 12. So this is already 12. This is 12. Okay, what we are seeing. So in this direction, in the downside direction also we have to draw 12. So here make a point at 12. Make a point at 12. Also here make a point at 12. Similarly here. And also here make a point at 12. Then keep it here, make this part darker and also this part darker. After that make this darker, make this darker. Okay, now you have the box. After these two boxes, okay, after this box and this box, this is continuing. Okay, here, so in this direction what is the length, it is not given here, so we will come back to this later. Okay, so here this has to go downside and close like this, but it is not given, so this thing we can draw it later. So first we have to draw the side view, then we will project it back so that you will get this. Okay, so before we proceed, we have to do the dimensioning here also. So let's do the dimensioning. 12, 12, 36. Okay, so here the dimensioning is from here. Draw 4 lines like this. The first line and the last line should be big, and the center lines will be smaller. Now join these two. So these are here 12, 12. The bigger one is 36. So this one is 36. So let's do the dimensioning. So it is 12. This is also 12. This is how much? 36. Okay. Twelve, 12, 36, and this one is 12. So in order to make this dimension, draw two lines like this and one in this direction, make it 12. Okay, now this is front view, this is top view. Now we have to draw the side view. Side view will come here. So after projecting these 2 points and these 2 views, we will get the side view. So in order to draw the side view, first we have to draw a meter line. So here, somewhere here, mark a point. At a distance, mark a point. Okay. From this point, take the protractor, keep the protractor here, and mark 45 degrees. So 10, 20, 30, 40, this is 45. So this is 45. So now join this point to this point. Okay. So this angle is how much? 45 degrees. Okay. So after that, what you have to do? You have to project all the points, all the horizontal lines here. See, project each and every point here. Simply project like this. until it touch the line, meter line. Okay, now project them downside. Okay, so now total how many horizontal lines? 1 2 3 4, downside also 4. Now you have to project the front view. First what you did, you projected the top view. This is the top view, you projected right side and take it downside. Now here you have to project the front view. Okay, now you projected the front view. So here in this box you will get the side view of this drawing. Okay, so now let's see what you will see in the side view. Here side view means this one. Okay, so in the side view you are watching it from here. Okay, you are watching it from here. So if you are watching it from here, what you will see, you will see this. Okay, and also this. Only you will see these two. Okay, here you will only see this part and this part, that's it, nothing else you will see. Okay, so first let's draw this base 60 60, oh sorry, 60 12 60 12. So that is nothing but this base. See, this is the base, this is the front view, right? So this is the same base. Here this base is same, yani this base is same. So here you will get a continuous rectangle from this end to this end. This is the rectangle. So let's first draw the rectangle. So these are the 4 points for the rectangle. 1 2 3 4. This rectangle, yeah, this one. So simply draw this rectangle here. Okay, only the rectangle should be darker. Okay, now from here, okay, these 2 points will coincide. If you are seeing from this direction, okay, you are seeing from this direction, so you first you see the rectangle. After rectangle you will not see this area, yani these two will touch in front view. These two will be looking like in the same line. Okay, so from here what is the height? 36. okay, 36 height, then this, what is this length? This is 12. See here, this is 12, so this is also 12. So we have to draw a line of 36, then 12. So 36 is nothing but here the height, this height is also 36. Yani this is the 36th height point. Okay, this is 36, then this is the 12. Okay, now from here you have to join it till here. Okay, you have to join it till here. See this slope. Okay, first let's make this. Okay, a little bit, then so till now we have completed till here. Okay, from here you have your 36 height, then left side 12, then this point, yani this slant will go and meet here somewhere. So this is the slant, you are meeting it here. Okay, from this point you are not joining at the end. So this is the corner. Okay, this is the corner, but you are not joining in this corner at a distance of 12. See here, this is the joining point here. The slant in the top view, it is joining here. So this point and this point, you have to coincide this and this. Yani this slant here in the top view, we are representing it from here to here. So this is the joining point. This joining point is meeting here. Okay, and also in the front view it is coming from here. So this is the point. You have to join this one with this, and it's continuing inside. So if you cannot see it, you have to make it in the form of dash. Okay, so now, so one thing left here. What is that? In the top view we left it so that we will do it later. So this is the part. Here only depth is given, this horizontal direction is not given, so that's why we cannot draw at that time. Now we have this projection. See here, so this projection is touching it here. So now what we can do, so this is the depth 24. Okay, so from here we projected it to here. So we will do reverse. So these are coming from top to bottom. Now we will take this point from here, okay, to top side. Okay, so from this point go upside. Okay, it will touch somewhere here, then go left side. Keep the scale horizontal somehow. Okay, now from here draw a horizontal line. Okay, so till this point the depth is there here. So we have to join till here. Okay, now this is the final drawing. Okay, so what we did here in the final step, we only know the depth. So from here we projected the depth to the side view, and again we took it upside, again we go it left side, then you got this line. So we have to join this. So now it will look similar. See, in the top view these two rectangles, then this and the side views. Okay, so this is nothing but this is the side view, only this and this is side view. So with this sheet is completed. Okay, thank you.